Righto guys, welcome back to Dads and Lads. Weather is not favourable today, but we're braving it and we're down at Lake Brockman. We're going to try and put a few trout in the boat, eh boys?
Yeah, mate.
Hang around for this episode, wait until the end. Me and the big fella up the back there, Hunty. We've got a special announcement so we can give back to you guys, so yeah, stick around. Righto guys, so we're out here trolling. Old matey, old Isaac's rugged up. Eli's rugged up. Me and Hunty definitely need beanies. And we've got the old Rapalas on the trawl, eh, Hunty?
Yeah, we sure do, mate. We sure do.
So, good little test is that the other boys are going to be using Helcos. So, good little test. So, we'll see what happens, eh? If we get sank, you guys will be the first to know.
Oh, we're going to get it again. Come on. You want? Yeah, GoPro's down there.
Alright, Hunty's hooked up. What do you reckon it is? Big hunts?
It's not fighting.
No? Still weight there?
A little bit, yeah.
A little weight.
Might be a stick, mate.
Might be a log of spearfish. You get that net? Oh! I'll tell you what it is.
A lure, that's what it is.
That's
mate.
what it is.
Shit.
Some days you get diamonds.
Sometimes you get nothing.
Unlucky. Definitely got a hit. There was a better fisherman on the rod. Well, you never know what would have happened. Righto guys, so we're just out here, we're chucking a few laps as we call it, which means we're just trolling around at about 2 knots. We troll for these trout and redfin perch. Why we do that is because the noise of the motor helps agitate the fish. It spooks them, it agitates them. Their natural predatory action is to fight or flight. So what we're trying to instill is we're agitating them with that prop wash, that bubbles, that noise. We swim a lure past. Natural instinct of the trout's either that, hey, what's that? Bang, or we spook them. So, well, not today, but 9 times out of 10, if they're there, we'll catch them. We have marked some, we have hooked up to some. The other boys have dropped a couple as well. So, despite the weather conditions, it's looking favourable. So, we'll keep trolling and we'll see how we go. Hey, Hunty?
Yeah, mate, let's do it.
I'm skippering today, so it's much smoother ride, eh?
Yeah, she's a beauty.
Righto, guys. We got Big Shory at the front here, mate. Quick introduction. Big Tomo. What do we got there, Tomo? Nice rainbow. Now it's absolutely bucketing down. Lake Brockman apparently fishes slow. How long's it taking you to get that one, lads?
About 40 minutes, I reckon, in the wet.
On what? There's no secrets here on that. What lure we get him on?
In the net, mate.
Lukey's little popper, eh? The old Helco RMG. Get him back, lads.
Isaac, you want to grab that?
Off you go. Righto guys, so as we said, there's no secrets today. We've got this little Rapala X-Wrap. This is what we're going to use on our downrigger. For those you don't know, so our downrigger is going to get our line down to the depth that we think the trout are at. To use a big lead sinker on our downrigger, you can set the depth. We're going to hook our main line to it and we're going to send it down there. So let's give it a red hot crack, eh? Righto guys, so we've got the downrigger down finally. How's the old weather conditions, boys?
It's a bit average.
Not favourable. So you can see the rod's in with the downrigger, it's loaded. We've gone down 9 foot, so yeah, we'll see how we go. This big front's just come over, so fair bit against us, eh?
See how we go,
Let's see how we go.
Gotta get out.
We're out here, but that's the main thing.
Yeah.
Alright, so we just hooked up.
Eli's on.
Eli's on.
Slow it down, mate.
You want to get that net ready for him, Mr. Isaac? Nice and slow, Eli.
Good job, mate.
Bloody good job.
Nice one, Eli.
What are you thinking, Eli? Big trout?
Bring her in, buddy.
Can't see what
Oh, he's here. Bring to the back of the boat. Can you see? Stand up, mate. Where is it?
What are you calling it there, Isaac? You're on the net.
What
Is
has
it
he
a brown?
got?
I think it's a brown.
Beginner in.
Slow down, slow down.
Stop there, quick, net it.
It's a rainbow.
Net it. Good job, boys.
Good work, boys.
Good job, boys.
Yoo-hoo!
Happy
Oh,
days.
it's off too. It came off.
That's right.
High five, Eli.
We'll just get these hooks
Eli.
away from the young fellas
High
and
five, mate.
Oh,
we'll give you a look at it.
it's a beautiful fish.
It's looking like a goodie. Righto, lads, so we got the lures off.
Oh no.
Whoop, we've dropped him. We'll give you a look at the lure then. So we caught him on a little Rapala countdown in rainbow trout. Now, team effort from the young fellas. Isaac on the net, Eli on the old rod. We're going to take a quick photo of this, guys. If you can, download the Wreckfish app. It's helping track these trout and it's helping protect them. So we'll take care of this fish and yeah, we'll show you the release. Righto, guys, so we're going to chuck it back. Hunty's going to just give it a quick swim. And eventually she'll take off. It's very important, guys, to look after these fish. That's why we took the photos. We'll upload that to Wreckfish, helps track these fish.
And there she goes, mate.
And she's off.
Quite another day.
Good work, fellas.
Yeah.
Boys.
Eli.
Just before we got
Eli
to come
the
in
man.
too.
Monster
Nice
E. Isaac's going to get on the next one, eh, brother?
Yeah, why not?
Let's go. Righto, guys, so we are trolling. We were trolling at about 2 knots when we hooked that. Young fella, we did think he got actually snagged when he got that, so.
But he was on.
But he was on. So, sort of got told off for that one. What would Dad know? Nothing. So, yeah, we're cruising back through here. That was in about 3.8 meters of water. So, yeah, we're going to go back through it and, yeah, see what we can get. Cheers, guys. Righto, guys, that is us. Day 1 down here at Lake Brockman. We did say stay tuned for the end of the vid. We're announcing we're doing a web raffle, guys, and really asking for your support to get behind it. Super sick prize. We've got two wicked sponsors on board with Paul from Hosemasters and the Spice Lab. You'll see that right now roll through. So that raffle is supporting brain cancer, guys. There's a local dad in the community that we're trying to get behind. He's got the fight of his life ahead of him, so we're showing our support and getting behind him. Buy a raffle ticket, guys. Win a sick prize. Also, you're out there helping him, helping us support him with their cause. All proceeds are going to the Mark Hughes Foundation, guys, which support brain cancer. So if you guys can please get behind that. 1 in 100 chance sounds pretty good to me, eh, Hunty?
Sounds bloody beauty.
I'd like a second Weber.
That one's better than mine.
Yeah, way better than mine too. And the Spices, guys, stay tuned for the next episode. You'll see this man whip up an absolute feast with them. So yeah, 1 trout today, guys. Wasn't ideal. The weather here is it's pretty bad, but we're out here. We got rewarded with 1 trout.
Getting it done, mate.
What more can we ask for? So cheers, guys. Get behind the raffle, guys. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. It's really helping me and Luke get to where we want to get. So see you on the next one.
Cheers, guys.